Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Daria. How you guys doing today?
We're doing pretty good. How about you?
Doing wonderful. So how did you hear about Express Flooring?
Internet.
Yeah.
Google search.
Okay. And then how was your design consultant that came to the home?
He was awesome.
Great.
Yeah, Corey, I think his name was.
I see the floors turned out really, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Really, really nice. It's got a really good padding to it too, huh?
Yeah,
And then how were the installers that came in?
they were great.
Good.
They were supposed to call between, I think it was 7 and 9. They called before 9. They come. They were very pleasant. It was a father-son team
Oh, wow.
and very accommodating, very easy to work with,
Professional.
very professional.
Good.
I've got nothing to praise for them. We've had so many bad experiences with other things that we've done that they were really a breath of fresh air. I mean, they come in, they hit it, they worked at it. They took like maybe a 10 or 15-minute break, long enough to eat a sandwich, and then they were right back at it, and they didn't quit again until they were done.
Oh, man, that's so great. And then would you guys refer your friends and family to Express Flooring?
I would if anybody,
Yeah.
that I knew needed carpeting. I think I would.
Oh, that's
Because
great.
it was a fast process.
Yeah.
I put the thing online, sent it to make the appointment. He called the same day.
Uh-huh.
The salesperson came out the next day, and then the day after that, it was already
Done.
laid. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, thank you guys. We appreciate your business with Express Flooring. You enjoy the rest of your week and the beautiful floors, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.